Guys, there is an iPhone X inside this road trip. That is insane. We're gonna try to win it right now. It is $1 per play. So let's insert our money. We got $5 here. Let's do a $5 bill.
Predict how many miles we're gonna get on the first one.
16 credits, which is
4 plays.
Spin.
Wait,
5.
really?
No, there's 5. Go, spin it.
Yeah, plus this one.
Yeah, plus this one. I'm gonna say 100.
Let's predict. Oh, 150.
Ooh,
Not
150.
bad, not bad.
You've got 150.
You got 150 joysticks.
Take your
I
second
must have a pretty
spin.
good car.
Yeah.
Very reliable, and
Yeah.
not like my actual car.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Now you've got it. You're driving great. Good spin.
75. We just
alright.
need 25 more.
75 miles.
75 miles.
Just some simple math.
25.
Spin.
Brett will be my math calculator.
Yeah.
He'll know what I need to get in order to get this.
Watch it
accurate.
be to 25.
Come on, baby. Come on, give me something good.
50.
Yes, let's
50.
go.
Next round, we are continuing, guys.
Welcome to
I mean, there's so many good minor prizes.
Yeah, right? Yeah, I love getting nothing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Air is the best prize.
Yep.
Let's see.
475.
Take your first spin.
Come on, Mystery Miles.
Come on, baby.
Mystery. Watch it be 25.
Oh, Mr.
Hey!
Mouse. That's good. That's good.
Most likely it'll be a 1.
Please give us a 3. Not here.
No, it's gonna be a 2 or a 1. That's
we
a
get
1.
a-
That's a 1. 100% a 1. Oh, whoa!
No way.
No way!
285, guys. This is insane. Wait.
No way that was a 2.
Wait. How much more do I need?
We need
Brett, do the
190.
calculation.
190.
190. He says. Wait, 190? Are you serious?
Yeah.
We can get this. Hang on.
Come on.
Hang on.
Don't
come on.
rig us, please.
Don't rig me. Don't rig
Now
me.
you've got it. You're driving great. Good spin.
That's a 35. Oh, you see. Hold on. We need 155, so we gotta get mystery.
155.
200 or mystery.
Brett's awesome at math, guys.
That's my best subject. Come on, mystery or 200.
College and have a high school better at math. Okay.
200 or mystery, please. 200 or mystery. Ah,
dang
you
it.
see.
You've got 20.
Alright, we got 3 more spins.
4 more.
Take your first spin.
3 more after this.
Yeah. Yeah, 100. That's not a good. That's a fair
it's
spin.
really, we're going on a road trip.
Good spin.
Mystery.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
It's 180.
Yep, we got it.
What?
Oh,
Why is it
geez.
being to 2?
I don't know. What if we just walk to our destination?
Yeah.
I mean, walking has it's exercise,
Take your first
or we
spin.
could hitchike. You know.
Yeah. Come on.
Give me something
200.
good.
Oh,
wait,
that's
give
a
it to me.
25. That's a 25.
geez.
Oh, look at that.
It's hard to get good at this game. I mean, all you do is.
Mystery.
All right, give
Dump.
us that.
Okay, if it's a 2 again, I'm just gonna be officially done for. What the heck is going on here? Is this a glitch? There's no way
You know
we've
what?
got.
I still don't think we're gonna get it.
Got it.
Give us a
You're
mystery,
driving
baby.
great.
Give us a
Good
mystery. Oh,
Yes! Okay, come on. 225, 220,
That's
220,
insane. If we actually
220,
get it.
220. Be higher than a 2. 3, 6, 2, 2, 2. Oh my
Yes,
God, we
let's
moved
go.
on. Moved on.
Boom, let's go, baby. Guys, that's insane. I've never got the middle
Met the medium.
prize before. All right, guys, we're gonna spin the
Come
wheel
on,
for the
Hollywood.
Major prize for the iPhone X.
Come on.
Let's go. This will be
200,
insane
200.
if I can-
Ah.
no.
Hold on. You have 2 more
I've gotta
spins. You never
get,
know what.
like,
You don't know. Mystery
I've
has been
gotta
doing
get-
200s. I don't know. I don't know. You gotta hope it lands on Mystery Miles. Yeah, there's no way.
Driving great. Good
There's
spin.
Of
no
course
way.
it lands on the 200
Oh,
now.
yay, 200. I'm a churro.
Oh, sorry.
Pull over.
Dang
You've
it.
got a flat
I mean-
tire. Game over.
Oh, you
Flat
got a flat
tire,
tire.
see?
What? You see?
If you had a spare in the trunk, you know, I could fix it for
Take
you.
your first spin.
Come on.
You want road trip to do not give us the major prize? Oh, really?
Just give me
It's
two-
gonna be a 2.
Give me
100
250 so I don't have to spin the other 2 times.
It's gonna be a 2. I feel it. Watch it be the 3.
That'd be insane.
Nope.
All right, we're there in one.
Yeah, we
go.
needed that, of course, on the 500.
To the
To Chicago.
What if we just took an Uber?
It continued.
Yeah, let's take Uber.
Yeah, like come
Hollywood's
on.
really not that
It's
far.
2018.
Your first
No one
spin.
takes road trips anymore.
That's 20. That's the 1900s who people take road trips.
Good spin.
Prove it. That was a good spin. See,
No,
that was
it
a bad
not
spin.
a bad
Nice.
good
You've
spin.
got 35
You are a liar,
miles.
sir.
Take yours.
Chicago.
100.
Aaron and I did road trip.
Oh God, we need 3 330, 340, 340.
Come on, man.
Mystery. Wow. You see?
This piece of junk.
Me with my car. Piece of junk. We're there.
We're there. You're halfway there.
I sped over the speed limit. That's why we
Sorry.
got this.
It continued to
Oh, thank
there.
God. 100. 375 to go.
100 miles.
We
In
need
your
a
second
mystery.
spin. Now you've got it. You're driving great. Good spin.
Let's
Yo!
go.
Come on. Alright. Take it. Take it in. We need 70 more. No, 90 more. Sorry.
This anymore. Oh,
Yes!
Let's go.
Let's go. Deals everywhere, look.
50 miles.
Oh my God.
Welcome.
Guys, we're at the top.
Come on, this is our
Okay,
chance.
this is insane, guys. I could win the iPhone X right now.
We have to get 500.
Come on, please.
Come on. Give us some churros. Give us some churros. Churros. Nah. You see. Come on, mystery.
Mystery.
Mystery or the 200.
Please.
Oh, yes.
You better give that to me.
It did.
Okay. We just need another mystery after this.
We need another mystery. Come
me a
on,
five.
nine.
Give me a five.
It's a 2.
Give me a
3.
3.
It's not a 3. There's no way it's going
well,
to. We need.
All we need is a mystery.
We need 215. We need 215. We have to get mystery or else we're screwed. Mystery.
Come on, mystery, baby. Give me that mystery. Give me the mystery. Give me it. Give me
No!
Dang it.
You've landed 100 miles.
Disgrace.
Oh no.
Thanks for playing. Come back
3 or 200. If it does not land on it, I'll be sad.
Yes.
Yes!
Let's go.
Come on. Watch it be the 1. Okay. 0. Okay, it's 2. Good.
Alright, we got
Come
it,
on,
guys.
500.
This is it, guys. We're at the top level again. We've made it. It's been a long road trip.
I know.
want this road trip to be over.
It's like we're heading to the east side. Come
Here
on,
we go,
Will.
guys. This could be it.
Come on.
Let's go.
Give us a 200 or mystery.
Mystery.
One, maybe.
You've landed 100
It
miles.
might be the next one. Come on.
Your
We get 200 every time.
Or the mystery.
That was a good spin.
Come on, baby.
Yes!
Yes. Let's go. 200. Give
3
me it.
or even 0. 0. Ah, it's 2.
Give us a
It's
3.
2. It's a 2.
Please.
It's not a 3. It doesn't go
well,
over 3.
that's okay.
We need 140. 140. We could get
Are
the
you serious?
140. 140. Give us 150 or mystery. Do not be the 25. Go.
Guys,
Do
I'm
it.
so
Spin it
nervous
hard.
right now. Come on. I'm gonna spin it the hardest I've ever freaking hit this handle in my life for an iPhone X. Come
Now.
on, guys! If I get this, like the video, subscribe down below. Just freaking
Just spin it.
Lose your churros everywhere you look.
Oh my God.
Oh, yes.
150.
Let's go.
150. 150.
150. Come on.
No!
You've got 25 miles. Oh, man. You need to get a little further than that. Game over. Thanks for take a road
Oh
trip.
my
And you
God.
can win a small prize in Chicago.
Guys, look how
Or continue on
far I was from an iPhone X. Literally,
all the way.
if it was just an inch
Prize in
lower.
Hollywood.
Oh. I'm not giving up.
Yeah!
We are at the large prize once
Again.
Probably our 4th or 5th time.
Make your first spin.
So let's do it. Come on, baby. Give it
Mystery.
to me. We want big numbers.
No, you see?
50 miles.
Wait.
Give us 2 mystery miles. That's all we need.
Or even a 200. It's 200 and 250.
Driving.
You've got to be kidding. We don't even make it. We don't even make it.
Make your third spin. That was a good spin.
I'm done.
You've landed one
Alright, guys. We're at the last round once again.
A great
See
drive.
ya. Oh! Oh!
Come on, 300.
Come on.
Come on, 300.
300, please.
It might be 0. 0, 0, 0, 0.
Please, 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 please.
Nah, it's 200.
300.
It's 230. It's 230.
I want 3. Oh.
It doesn't go higher than 300.
We just need another mystery mile and we'll be okay.
Come on.
Come on, we got this.
We have to yell at it. Good.
Take your second spin.
Now. Come on, mystery.
That was
We got 2 to get a mystery.
Come on, mystery. Wait. 315. 305. We need 195.
spin.
200 a mystery.
We need a 200 or mystery. Step back. Guys, this could be it. I only need a 200 or a mystery to get this. Again, like the video again. And subscribe if you haven't. Here we go, iPhone X in this push right now. Let's go!
Come on.
Come on! Mystery!
Come on. No!
Nice. You've got 35. This is the police. Pull over.
Oh, shoot!
Please.
Get on the floor. Oh,
Oh. Hollywood. Hollywood.
Alright, guys.
Come on. We got to it again. Just don't say anything. Don't say anything.
That you're driving great. Good spin.
100. 100.
You've landed 100 miles.
Look at that, guys. That's on the
Take your
25.
second spin.
But I don't think we're gonna get it.
You gotta be kidding. Whoa. Mystery. If you get that 300, then I haven't seen it hit a 300.
Third spin.
Mystery.
300 on
Mystery. Mystery. You've gotta be kidding me.
Alright, guys. Here we go.
Booyah!
Booyah! That's my booyah.
That was a good spin.
Come on. Yes.
200. Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh. No way. 200 miles.
Go on.
Alright, here we go. Here I go.
Take
Ready?
your second spin.
Come on, baby. This could be an iPhone X right there.
Now you've got it. You're driving great. Good spin.
What? No way.
No way.
No way.
No way.
Mystery miles. No way.
Come on,
No,
300,
no.
300.
No.
0. 0.
No
0.
way. Wait,
0. 260.
Wait.
40. We need 40.
No way.
Don't land on the
260.
25.
No,
We need
we only need 40. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys.
Take a moment right now.
Okay. Unless we get a
25 or 35.
35.
Spin the wheel.
We're gonna win an iPhone X. Heck to the yes. Come on. Come on. I don't want to jinx it,
Be
but
a 50.
come on. All we need is a 50 or higher.
While we're
Don't be that
Come on.
thing.
Come on. Please. 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 Please.
Yes! 50!
Yes, let's go!
welcome to
Heck yes, guys, we got it! Heck to the yes, guys, we just got the large prize.
Continue, hit continue, hit continue.
Select prize.
No, no.
Oh.
Select.
I'm sorry.
Hit select.
There. Guys, iPhone X. Heck yes. Heck to these, you have no idea how hard this was to
It better
get.
fall down in time.
Oh my god, please give it to me.
Don't.
Oh my god, guys, iPhone X.
Hurry up.
It's right there. Give it to us.
Right there. Why don't you stop right there?
Oh, yes! Let's
Thanks for
go!
playing. Come back for another
Yes,
amazing
guys.
road trip.
iPhone X, check that out.